how to unbox NGX Smart Pro device. This is the box what you receive, and this box is of NGX Smart Pro 92 TB. So this is how we remove using a knife, unseal it on all the sides. Once you open, we can see the charger, which is of 5 volts, 2 amps, and then the charging cable with C type and a paper roll holder, along with a paper roll which is of 2-inch for this device. If it is of 3-inch, 3-inch paper roll will be provided. And then this is the device. Hold the box and pull out the device. Remove the foam and the cover. This is the device and the paper roll, the charger and the cable along with paper roll holder. Once you receive the device, the battery of the device will not be connected. To connect it, open the battery cover from backside, and then you can see the cable is not connected, and connect the port accordingly and close the battery compartment. Press it, and you can see the ports available in the device, which are USB, wine scale, power, and then cache drawer along with the charging port. So to switch on the device, press the power button once, and you can see the device gets on. And to switch off the device, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to get shut down process, and device gets shut down.